Hi, I'm Agent Schroder, and today I'll show you how to use a photo printer and the HP Smart app. Here's what you'll need. The HP Smart app already installed on your computer or smart device, a photo printer, a camera with a memory card, a USB cable, and some photo paper. I'll be using the HP Envy Photo 7855 and a Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G smartphone. The steps might be a little different depending on your devices. Also, if you need help with the initial setup, we've got you taken care of. We have another tech tips video on how to set up a wireless printer. There's a link in the notes below. All right, let's get started. Put some photo paper into the tray. My printer can use large photo paper in the normal paper tray, and it has a special tray for smaller paper sizes like standard 4x6s or 5x7s. Take note of the proper orientation for the paper. There are usually little icons like this to help you figure it out. This is important because photo paper has one side made for printing, and not all printers feed paper the same way. You don't want to accidentally print on the wrong side. When your paper is ready, printing photos directly from your phone or smart device is pretty simple using the HP Smart app. First, make sure your phone is on the same Wi-Fi network as your printer and open the app. Tap on Print Photos and choose the folder you'd like to print from. I'll choose my photos and then tap a photo and then print. For example, under Layout, I can choose the tray to print by tapping Paper and then Source, the paper size, and the paper type. Under Resize and Move, you can adjust the size and the position of the photo on the paper. You can even choose Manual to pinch and zoom the photo like this. As you're making your selections, the app will show you the size of the photo and the size of the paper in the corner. Then, you can take a look at some of the basic functions. Under Rotate, you'll see options for flipping the image and changing its rotation. Copies will tell the printer how many copies to print. Color Mode will allow you to choose whether you want the photo in color or black and white. Paper Size will give you more options about which tray to print from and, of course, paper size. Under More Options, you can access quality settings, borderless printing, and adjust the scale. Under Quality, I'll choose Best because I want a high-quality photo. Now, tap the back arrow, go to the Options screen, and then tap the printer icon to send the photo to the printer. And here's a tip. Don't grab the photo right away. Instead, let it sit for a few seconds to dry so the ink doesn't smudge. Now, depending on your printer, you might also be able to print from a memory card or right from your camera if you can connect it through a USB cable. My camera uses an SD card that's compatible with my printer, so let me show you how that works. First, locate the memory card slot or the USB port on your printer. For me, those are both on the left side behind this door. Insert the memory card into the slot or connect the USB cable from the camera to the printer. The printer will detect the device, which can take a few seconds, and then present your options. On this HP Envy, I'll tap Print Photos and then View and Print. Select the photo or photos that you'd like to print and then tap Continue. Make any adjustments that you'd like for the number of prints, paper size, cropping, and anything else your printer might have available for you. I can also tap the gear icon or the pencil for even more options. When you're ready, simply tap Continue. Review the image one more time and tap Print. That's all there is to it. Hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, give it a like. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips from Best Buy. Thanks for watching.